I just came home from a shopping trip, so I found this lock. It's Tarmo. It's Finnish and it means like willingness to go on. That I still have some Tarmo left in me. So yeah, but obviously it's just cheap Chinese lock, and it's just licensed or repackaged. And I'm reading what it says. It says padlock, brass body and cylinder, shackle made of hardened steel, 4 keys included, and the dimensions are here. So 8mm shackle and 50mm wide and 39mm height. So yeah, let's open this packaging and try to pick this. Okay. So keys seems to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pins, if I'm correct. Let's try if this works. Little bit of tarnish or something here. It went away. Okay, works beautifully. A little bit crunchy when closing. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can pick this open. This should work. And the keyway is just basic. Nothing really special about that. I try to use this cheap pry bar, so yeah, tension tool. Okay, pin number 1 got stuck in the upper position, in the top of the keyway, so not sure what's happening there. So very little feedback from the lock. Okay, and it's open. So yeah, I took the standard hook, but the thinner one, so I could get more easily past the little swirl on the keyway. So I found the last binding pin and got it picked open. So yeah, not really difficult locks. So yeah, stay away from this. And hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you really like this video. Bye.